Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manaswini and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my recommendations for the ongoing Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I've done a lot of videos where I've shared with you what products worked for me and what products did not. I have already compiled them all for you and made a new playlist called Product Recommendations, and you can check that out for in-depth reviews of multiple products. In today's video, the products are gonna be sale specific. I'm gonna try my best to not repeat products because you all know that my favorites usually remain the same, and I've already spoken about some products so much that I get it can get annoying. So today I'm gonna try my best to only talk about products that are on good offers. I'm gonna be sharing recommendations from different categories: makeup, skincare, body care, and even some fragrances. But I'm not gonna talk about hair care today because I've recently done a dedicated video about the best hair care products. So check this one out. I'm sure it's gonna be helpful. Starting off with makeup today, I'm gonna start with some lip products first. I have realized that I'm not a lip gloss person anymore. Like, I am reaching out to more lipstick these days and not lip glosses. So let's start with lipsticks. The first set of lipsticks that I have with me are from Revlon, and Revlon has done such a good job with these lipsticks. These are the super lustrous lipsticks and they come in a creamy formulation as well as a matte formulation. And the matte formulation especially is so good. It glides on the lips like butter, and the shade range for both of these kinds is outstanding, especially for Indians. I think everyone is going to find their shade in their collection in both these formulations. In the matte variant, the shade that I have with me here is Rise Up Rose. It is a very pretty brown and it's the perfect shade for medium skin tones. It is gonna be a perfect nude for deeper skin tones. Now the shade that I have in the creamy variant is Blushing Nude. This is a warm shade and this looks beautiful on all skin tones. On me, it looks like a reddish brown. If you're someone who does not like to wear red lipsticks but want a hint of red, then this is the one for you. If you're medium or deeper skin tone, then this one is gonna be a perfect everyday color. What I love about it the most is that it is buildable. One coat of it looks like a nice hydrating tinted lip balm, and 3 coats of it looks like a nice pigmented lipstick. If you're someone who likes creamy lipsticks but you also want them to be long lasting, then this one is a really good one. I think this is a lip crayon. It's by Faces Canada and it is in the shade Tea Rose. This is a very nice peachy nude color. It works beautifully for fair to medium skin tones. Once you put it on, it's not gonna move for hours and it is very comfortable on the lips as well. Faces Canada and Revlon have 30 to 35% off on their lipsticks, so this is the best time to grab them. Coming to my most used liquid lipstick, this is Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick and it is in the shade Sell Out. It is a pinky nude color and Too Faced is currently on 20% off and that is the maximum discount that they go on. So this is the best time to get this one. It is comfortable on the lips, lasts fairly long. It's not one of those lipsticks that just do not budge at all. This goes away, but I think it lasts for 3 to 4 hours and that's good enough for me. If you want a comfortable liquid lipstick that does not budge the entire day, then the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick has to be the best one that I've ever tried. I collaborated with them once and they sent over a bright red color, but the texture of the lipstick and the stay was outstanding. I'll put the video here, you can check that out. Now moving on to some lip oils and lip glosses. The first set of lip oils that I have with me are from Love Child by Masaba and these are their Lip Gelato tinted lip oils. I have these in all the 5 shades and I'm gonna swatch all of these for you. My 2 favorites out of these are Brown Berry and Guava Glids. I love the fact that they are pretty pigmented. So if you have pigmented lips, these are gonna work beautifully for you. These have a thick, juicy texture which is not at all sticky and they are also very hydrating. These are enriched with sweet almond oil, which is a powerhouse of vitamin E. It nourishes your lips and improves their texture. They also have hyaluronic acid and shea butter and jojoba oil that helps reduce dryness and create a protective layer to lock in the moisture. These have a thick but not too thick applicator. It's just the perfect size. Love Child by Masaba has up to 35% off on their products and you also get a free product if you order for ₹6.99 or more. These lip oils are currently available for 5% off. I'll put the link down in the description below so that you can check them out. Now moving on to lip glosses, I have 3 recommendations for you. Now, if you're someone who wants a plumping lip gloss, then the best one that I've tried till date has to be this one from Too Faced. It is their lip injection and it really makes your lips super plump. And it does tingle, obviously. It does feel, like your lips are burning, but it is also very effective. These are also pretty pigmented and they have a lot of shades, so you can choose whatever works for you. This one is called Secure the Bag and it is a really nice peachy everyday color. The crushed oil infused lip gloss from Bobbi Brown has to be my all-time favorite lip gloss. These feel luxurious on the lips, they look luxurious on the lips, and they're very comfortable. You will feel like you have a lip balm on your lips. Your lips will stay hydrated the entire day. I also love Bobbi Brown's Extra Tint lip balms. You would know if you've been following me for a while, and the shade Bare Raspberry is my absolute favorite. They are my favorite lip balms in a stick form, and Bobbi Brown currently has up to 20% off on their lip products. So do check them out because these go out of stock really quickly. If you're on a budget but also want a comfortable hydrating lip gloss, then the Maybelline Lifter glosses have no comparison. They are very comfortable on the lips. They are thick and they make your lips look juicy. They also have hyaluronic acid, which is gonna keep your lips hydrated. I have the shade Topaz and also the shade Petal. This is a mauvey pink and this one is a peachy brownie shimmery shade. This one, Topaz, is gonna work for everyone, and Petal is this is again a shade that will work for everyone, but I personally do not like it as much as I like Topaz. These glosses from Maybelline are currently on 30% off, which I think is the maximum discount that they go on. So grab them before they go out of stock, because I remember how long I had to wait to get my hands on them. Moving on to my most used eyebrow product. This is Benefit's Brow Pomade, and this is the only brow product that I've used in the last 3 years. It's my favorite and I still have so much of it left. This one is gonna last you for years, and this is currently on 30% off. I have never seen it on 30% off before. It has a creamy waxy texture and it's not highly pigmented, so it's easy to use, and my brows stay put the entire day. The color doesn't go away. It's my holy grail brow product. Most of the shades are already out of stock, so grab it before it's gone. Most of my recommendations in the makeup category are high-end, and that's because these brands go on crazy discounts during this time, and this is the best time to really stock them up. And one of the brands that has flat 40% off is Nudestix, and these blushes are all you need. These are the only blushes that I reach out to. This one especially, it is Bohemian Romance. What a beautiful shade from Nudestix. It's a very pretty, dusky, cool toned pink that's gonna flatter all Indian skin tones. And these Glow Core blushes were recently launched in India, and I got this in the shade Pink Ice. This has a highlighter center and gives a really nice dewy look. In this one, the shine comes from the highlighter in the middle, and this one's texture in itself is very creamy and shiny. So if you're an oily skin type, you can completely skip this one and go for this one instead. Talking about base products, the first one that I have with me is MAC Fix Plus. I use this before I start my makeup and also after I'm done to melt in all the powders, and also for a nice dewy look. This is not a setting spray and it's not gonna keep your makeup put. Keep that in mind. I absolutely love this product even though the spray is not very fine. MAC is currently on up to 25% off. Smashbox Halo has to be my favorite base product. It's a tinted moisturizer and it has SPF 25 as well. When I use it, I make sure I use an SPF before this and then go over that with this. Very hydrating, comfortable on the skin. If you have very oily skin, I'm not sure if you'll like the feel of it. It can feel a little heavy, but if you have dry skin or combination skin, then this is a beautiful product. If you're looking for a full coverage concealer, then look no further because this is the best one in the market. And I am not someone who likes full coverage makeup, but this has helped me so much cover up my spots and just give me an even base. Stunning product, does not look cakey at all, does not feel heavy on the skin, and it does not move. Moving on to skincare, the first product that I have with me is the DHC Cleansing Oil. Now this is a cult favorite and I tried the mini size first. I ended up loving that so much that I got this bigger size because it is that good. I have acne prone skin and this really does not break me out. It is in stock and it is also on 15% off. If you have dry acne prone skin, then I'm certain that you will enjoy using it. But if you have oily acne prone skin, then it can feel a little heavy on your skin. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser is my all-time favorite cleanser and no cleanser has replaced it till date. It is currently on 25% off and that is again the maximum discount that it goes on. If you're trying it out for the first time, then get a mini first, get the feel of it. I'm sure you're gonna like it. It is a gentle liquid cleanser and it is absolutely worth it. For my cellar water, the only one that I use is this one from Bioderma and I've been using it for the last 3-4 years, I don't know, or even more. This never broke me out and it gets rid of all my makeup in one go. For my eye makeup, I still use just this and not a cleansing oil because all cleansing oils end up stinging my eyes. This is a very good one for sensitive skin. This foaming hydrating cleanser from Cetaphil is a game changer. I got mine during the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I have already emptied it out and ordered another one. It is that good. It has niacinamide, ceramides, aloe vera. It is very soothing and gentle on the skin. It is a cream to foam formulation that does not dry your skin out. CosRX has 30% off and I do have some favorites, but the all-in-one snail cream and this clarifying toner are the two products that stand out for me. This clarifying toner is a boon for acne prone skin. This has really controlled my breakouts and it is such a nice gentle exfoliating toner that it's gonna work for everyone. Even if you have sensitive skin and you really want to try exfoliating, then this is the one that you can start with. It's really gentle and mild. It has never irritated my skin and every night I use this, the next day I wake up to really smooth skin. If you have dull, dehydrated or dry skin, then try the Propolis Synergy Toner. It's gonna add that glow back to your skin and I have loved this very much. And this along with the Propolis Ampoule is my favorite combination ever for dry and dehydrated skin. If you have oily acne prone skin, then you can skip the Propolis range because that can feel a little heavy on your face. But if you have dry acne prone skin, then do give the toner at least a try. The Ampoule is very soothing and very calming. I always have one in my stash. Now moving on to serums, I have two recommendations. If you want a barrier support serum or something to soothe your skin or a product that is multi-purpose, then try their barrier support serum. This is the Viral Pink Serum and it has worked beautifully for me. And I can see that The Ordinary is currently not on any discount, but I have a very strong feeling that there is going to be some sort of offer in the coming days. So keep an eye on them. The other serum is the Eugia Niacin Serum from Some By Me. Some By Me is available on Nykaa and is at 20% off currently. And I think it would be a great time to get this one. It is their anti-blemish serum. And this one really helped brighten up my skin overall. And it also helped with fading away the dark spots a little, the acne marks. Especially if you have sensitive skin and vitamin C serums irritate your skin, then this is a really good one to start with. Just keep in mind that it has 10% niacinamide if I'm not wrong. So if niacinamide does not work for you, you can skip this. But if it does, then this is a really powerful combo. Moving on to masks, I have two recommendations for you. The first one is my all-time favorite, the Innisfree Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This is perfect for oily skin and even combination skin if you're gonna use it around this area only because it can be a little too drying on the cheeks. This is currently on 25% off and it cleans the skin like no one's business. If you have dry skin and you want a pore cleaning mask that also gives you the feel of a clay mask, then this one from Beauty of Joseon is really nice. It is the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. Now this one applies really smoothly. It is a very satisfying feeling and it does not dry up or crack up like regular clay masks. So once you wash your skin off, it's gonna feel very clean but also not dry at all. Beauty of Joseon is currently on 10% off and their sunscreen is also really nice. And this mask just went out of stock, so keep your fingers crossed and hope that it comes back. Dew also has 15% off and two products that I would recommend from them would be their In My Defense Ceramide Moisturizer, one of the best ceramide moisturizers that I've ever used. It will work for every skin type, and also their under eye patches because I think these are really good quality and also you can control the amount of product you want to put underneath them. For example, on days my under eyes are very dry, I can put on a really, thick, nice hydrating product here and just top it off with this. And on days I do not need so much, I can just put on a thin layer of hydrating serum and then put this on. I love how versatile it is. I love the flexibility that it allows. Two products from Dew that I really like. Now, because it is very humid these days, I'm sure not a lot of us are enjoying dewy, thick moisturizers. If you want a gel creme moisturizer that feels like nothing on the skin, gets absorbed really quickly, then try this one from Prosh. I had collaborated with them a while ago and I got a chance to try this and I really fell in love with this moisturizer. I'm almost over with mine. A moisturizer that every skin type is going to love. I also want to talk about sunscreens, but I know then this video is gonna be super long. So check out this video here for detailed reviews of different skincare products that I enjoyed using. Moving on to body care, I had decided that I will not be repeating a lot of products. So check out this video here where I've spoken about more than 25 body care products. For today, my first recommendation is gonna be this L'Occitane shower oil. I did not think that I would love this so much. I have used shower oils before, but this one feels like a warm hug. I mean, literally, when you put it on your body, there's this warm feeling, and then when you emulsify it, it feels like a normal body wash, but that warm initial feeling is really good. Also, I really like the smell as well. Now this smell, some people may love it, some people may hate it, so make sure you smell it at a store before you purchase it. You can clearly see how much of this I have already used. L'Occitane currently has no discount on the products, but if you buy for more than 5,000 rupees, you will get 10% off. The next body wash that I have with me is from Treacle Moon. It is their creamy sheer butterfly variant and I do not love the way this smells. It has a creamy sheer smell. It's nice, it's not a bad fragrance, but it's like a subtle version of Oriflame's Milk and Honey range. If you know, you know. And that used to be very strong. This is definitely subtle and creamier, but it just reminds me of that, and that is why I do not reach out to this so much. But what I love about it is that it is very hydrating. It will not dry your skin out. So if your body is super dry, then this is a really nice shower gel. Finally, the body wash that is absolutely weather appropriate. It is the Bath & Body Works Eucalyptus and Spearmint Creamy Body Wash. Now this smells divine. I only got it for the smell. I do not like Bath & Body Works shower gels. I like these ones, the creamy body washes. These do not dry the skin out, and this particular variant just smells really good and it is on a discount right now, so this is the best time to get this one. For body lotions, I have two recommendations. The first one is the Aveeno Baby. I also like the Aveeno Skin Relief. I've spoken about it too much and these days I am reaching out for this one more. I don't know why I picked this up, but it's really gentle, it's really soothing, good on the skin. I love it and it gets absorbed very quickly. Super lightweight and perfect for the humid weather. But if you're someone who does not care about the humidity and still likes to use a thick layer of lotion or a thick body butter at night, then Sol de Janeiro's Delicia Drench is really good. It smells very powdery and sweet sugary vanilla. That's how it smells. If you like Cheirosa 62, then I think you will end up liking this one as well, because both of them have a lot of vanilla. I really like the scent of this one, but it is something that I will use more during the winter season or fall, but not during these months. Too much of this scent during this season, the hot season, gives me a headache. Sol de Janeiro currently has flat 15% off on all their products. And now that we're talking about Sol de Janeiro, let's move on to fragrances. These are the three fragrances that I love the most from Sol de Janeiro. The Cheirosa 62 has to be my favorite, but I think it's more of a summer scent and I am not reaching out to it so much during this season. And again, Cheirosa 59 smells exactly like the body butter. It's a fragrance that I will prefer using during the colder months. Cheirosa 40 on the other hand is a scent that I think I love throughout the year. It smells great during the colder months, during this humid monsoon season, and also during the summer months. It has vanilla, plum, and just a really nice blend of everything. It's not too vanilla or too fruity. It's just in the middle and it's perfect. Also, out of these three, this one lasts the longest on my body. and the Cherusa 62 is the one that only lasts for an hour. So I have to keep reapplying it throughout the day. I can never discuss body mists without talking about Victoria's Secret, and these two are my all-time favorites. The only fruity scent that does not give me a headache is Pure Seduction, and my all-time favorite vanilla fragrance is Bare Vanilla. This is a very sexy vanilla and it lasts for 4 to 5 hours on me. So if you're a vanilla person but you don't want the basic sweet vanilla and want it with a twist, like a little spicy, then try this one. It's not gonna disappoint you. Victoria's Secret currently has up to 70% off on their stuff, and I think these are available for like $700, $800. So get them before they're out of stock. Both of these go out of stock really quickly. Finally, we're done. I'm so tired and also hungry, so I am now gonna go and eat something. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. All the links to all these products that I've spoken about will be in the description below. They will be affiliate links. I just want to let you know. If you want any other recommendations or you have other questions, you can text me on my Instagram. I'm gonna be posting stories there throughout the sale. Apart from that, I'm gonna upload a video about my favorite nude lipsticks really soon, so that you can get your hands on them during the sale itself. I also wanted to say thank you to all of you who have been texting me to ask where I am, what's happening, why I'm not posting, and everyone who's concerned. Thank you so much for asking. It feels really nice. I'm gonna make a vlog very soon where I'll show you what's really going on in my life and how the room situation is, so that you know where I'm at. And if you're someone new to my channel and enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe. I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.